Hello everyone, today for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a bootable drive through Rufus. Insert your USB before going to your browser and search for Rufus. Then we click the first link and wait for it to install. Once it's complete, open Rufus and now we can start making our bootable device. After that, we will now be able to go to the drive's properties. Click select and choose Windows 10 or depending on what operating system you want to install to your computer. Here we can choose either GPT or MBR. And finally, click start and wait for the OS to be installed to your USB before taking it out, and you now have yourself an installer. Now it's time to show you how to make an installer besides Rufus by using CMD. Just like before, insert the USB, search for CMD and click Run as Administrator. Type diskpark. Then type list disk. Choose the correct disk by typing select disk, then type clean. Be careful not to select the wrong disk. Then type create partition primary. Type list partition and select the correct partition. Type active. Next up, type format fs equals ntfs quick. Now type assign to assign a drive letter. Then type exit and go to your files and mount the server installer ISO file. As from what I said earlier, I will have Windows 10. Type the assigned ISO file drive letter. As for this example, the drive letter will be F. Enter CD. Here we can now type bootsec/nt60 and the drive letter. Type cd/ and then x copy. Just like that, you have successfully created an installer using CMD. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something for today in this tutorial. That is all for today, and I will see you again in the next video.